my name is Sam, and today I'm going to teach you about keyboards and typewriters. Check the first 6 letters of your keyboard. Are they Q, W, E, R, T, and Y? This is called QWERTY because of the first 6 letters of your keyboard. This is the arrangement you're most likely to have. Have you ever wondered about why the keyboard is arranged this way? Years and years ago, Christopher Stolz created the typewriter. The keys were first in alphabetical order. He was going to announce it to the world, but before he did, he got testers to try. They started typing really fast and started jamming the keys. So he knew he had to do something about it. So he rearranged it to make you still go slower, but still go fast, just not as fast as you would go in alphabetical order. This is how I typed a month ago. This is how I type now. And this is how I hope to type in the future. Here are some interesting facts about the keyboard and typewriter. The longest word you can type with your left hand is The longest word you can type with your right hand is Did you know that the first ever typewriter was arranged to be like a piano? Did you know your keyboard may contain more germs than your toilet? So clean those keyboards, folks. Did you know the smallest keyboard has 25 keys? The average laptop has 70 to 80 keys, and the average normal keyboard has around 100. Did you know when you hit the spacebar, 600,000 people in the world hit it at the exact same time? 2.4 million people just hit the spacebar right now. I got this Remington typewriter. It's from 1958.